Lesson 8.3 Data Valid Sync. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads and the docs on the right become our guide. We will pipe valid alongside data through each pipeline stage. Shift valid into valid pipe 1 to valid pipe 2, confirm, pass. Data registers alone are not enough. Valid must take the same latency. Each stage. Data pipe less equal previous. Valid pipe less equal previous valid. At the output, valid out means data out is meaningful this cycle. Two-stage data valid pipeline with registered outputs. Your TODOs are the valid as PI non-blocking assigns. Fill valid in, then valid pipe 1 into the next stages, Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we open simulation, press run and check the log for pass. Open simulation and press run. The log shows valid out, lagging valid in with the data. In Surfer, right-click the TB score and add the signals. Surfer valid marches in lockstep with the data pipes. Yosys shows paired data and valid flip-flops per stage. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review. Never let data move without its valid twin. The TB pulses valid in and checks valid out timing. That is data valid sync. See you in the next lesson.